मूविंग ऑन टू कॉन्क्लेव, सोशल कॉन्क्लेव, तो हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन है जो सबको जानना है
ओके
कि फर्स्ट सोशल कॉन्क्लेव में हुआ क्या था।
सोशल मिक्सर में, कॉन्क्लेव में,
सोशल कॉन्क्लेव का सोशल मिक्सर में क्या हुआ था फर्स्ट?
यार
मूंगा को सब याद है, मूंगा ही बताएगा।
सोशल मिक्सर बहुत बढ़िया हुआ था एकदम। इससे मैनेज इवेंट मैंने आज तक अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ में नहीं देखा। 17वां से ज्यादा मैनेज सोशल मिक्सर हुआ था वो वाला, एकदम
मतलब
मैनेज।
उस रात में जो मैंने 8 घंटे की नींद ली थी, मुझे मजा आ गया था उस रात के बाद।
बस बस बस
इतना फ्रेश मुझे फील हो रहा था अगले दिन, आई कैन नॉट इवन टेल यू। मूंगा मेरे से पहले आया था, बहुत अच्छा उसने किया था।
वो
मैं
तो
देखा
आया था, वो तो आया था, उससे पहले तो मैं आया था।
जाने दे, कहाँ आया था
भाई? सबसे पहले दरवाजे मैंने खोले जय ओज और उसके साथ, तू मेरे बाद आया था।
ओहो, 1 मिनट, दरवाजे मैंने खुलवाए थे।
बस 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 ये दिस इज ना संकल्प का थिंग, दैट व्हेनेवर दिस इज संकल्प का थिंग, I defeated him in badminton hands down, and after that he's like, अरे मोंगा उस दिन
हारने के बाद 3 मैच हारने के बाद रेड्डी से पूछो, पहले 3-4 मैच हारा था, फिर मैं सोचा चलो ठीक है जीतने दे दो, फिर जाके जीता है
एक मैच। Yeah, but no, you know, of course there was some thing, but it got managed and it was fun, so yeah.
ये क्वेश्चन इतना दबा हुआ है कि किसी को भी पूछा ना तो आई थिंक इट्स अ क्वेश्चन जो सिर्फ एलीट लोगों को पता है, दिस एकदम कोर पीपल एंड ओनली दो सिलेक्टेड पीपल जिनको ये क्वेश्चन के बारे में पता है, एंड कोई बताता नहीं है। नो वन नोज अपार्ट फ्रॉम दोस फ्यू सिलेक्टेड पीपल, एंड यू टू आर वन ऑफ देम।
यार 75% लोग को तो याद ही नहीं ना जो वहां पे आए थे, इसमें 75% बच्चों को तो पता ही नहीं थी, याद ही नहीं है कुछ। तो जिन जिन लोगों को, या तो जो लोगों ने नहीं पिया था वो, या फिर कुछ लोग को पता ही बहुत कम लोग को इसलिए है, तो ये फैल भी नहीं सकती उसकी वजह से। बट आफ्टर द स्ट्रीम वील टेल यू when it's not being recorded.
Yes. So I want to know how and how is the idea of social conclave initiated?
मूंगा मेरा स्टार्ट।
Yeah, I'll start. So social conclave. So as I said, I was leading the social impact cell in my 3rd year, right? And I knew that social impact had been creating a good impact in college for sure through so many blood donation drives and so many events that we were doing, and it was creating a good impact around the city through SOS, and so ये इतना impact तो था ही, but मेरे को था कि I want to do something which is on a bigger scale and impacts on a national level or probably even more. And so that was the thought कि यार कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए जो कि थोड़ा और बड़ा impact create करे. Then I was thinking about things that could be done. Also during that time conferences were doing a boom. Like in Delhi, I know that my cousin used to go to conferences every weekend, MUNs, other social conferences, and बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था। मेरे को ये दिख रहा था कि अगर इतनी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हो रही है मतलब उतना डिमांड तो है। So I knew that the youth of the country loves going out and putting out their opinions, which is a fact that all of us love voicing out our opinions. And so I thought that why not create a conference where people come, but like a lot normal जो काफी conferences होती है, people just come and speak. What is the outcome is आपके public speaking skills अच्छे हो जाते हैं उसकी वजह से. But I was like, if people are gonna come and speak, why don't they speak about something which actually solves something? And also, it shouldn't just be about speaking. It should be about solution formulation and like actually solving those problems. So that was the initial idea, the basic idea that was there for Conclave. And I pitched it to my team in social impact, and they were definitely pretty excited. And then I reached out to Sankalp to mentors. He was already in the core committee of the council, and I knew the insights that he would have and the things that he would be too good. And overall idea सबको अच्छा लग रहा था. So that was the thought behind. उसके बाद implement भी काफी अच्छा हुआ. टीम अगेन बहुत अच्छी फॉर्म हुई. R&D टीम उस साल की डेफिनेटली उन्होंने पूरा जो इनिशियल फॉर्मेट एक बनाया उसको किया. पहले कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा था कि हम सोल्यूशंस को 3rd डे पे इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे, फिर रियलाइज किया कि एक दिन में इंप्लीमेंट नहीं हो सकता. सो देन वी मेड इट अ फील्ड विजिट, एंड देन you come back and discuss the solution, and social impact team implements the solutions. So overall a lot of R&D changes also happened, but the thought remained the same from what it had started, to create a big impact nationwide, and it has been able to because there are people coming in from Delhi, Kolkata every year. I hope that now we start getting international delegates also in social conclave. But overall, that was the thought process. That was the idea, that to create a bigger impact and actually solve problems, not just speak but solve problems.
I think क्या हुआ था, I still remember it was Satwa के around की बात, Satwa से एक महीने पहले की बात है, and that's when Sarthak came to me and he came with this blueprint. तो initially उसने blueprint बताया था कि this is the blueprint, Sankalp, just listen to it once and maybe we can do it. Okay, so that was the first time I had gone through that entire idea, and I told Sarthak one thing: Sarthak, keep working on it. We'll get back to it when Satwa gets over. And for any core committee, for a treasurer and general secretary, generally उस समय तक क्या था कि Satwa आता था. That means Satwa is like your end of council career as well as your college. वो approach उस समझ में आता था because कि Satwa हो गया मतलब आपका council खत्म है, college भी खत्म होने वाला है. So that was for at least for a GS and treasurer ऐसा होता था. And then what happened when he came to me with that idea, it was a very good idea. And जिसको मैंने अच्छे से देखा आफ्टर आई थिंक सत्वा के बाद, राइट, सत्वा के बाद हम बैठे थे एक बार, तब जाके एकदम डिटेल में उस आइडिया के बारे में और बात किया था. उसके पहले एक बार बात हो चुकी थी. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग इन माय माइंड वाज कि ये इवेंट छोटा तो नहीं था. इवेंट होता तो बड़े स्केल पे होता. 3 days आउट ऑफ दैट 2 days यूर यूटिलाइजिंग कॉलेज प्रॉपर्टी. डेलीगेट्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया से आने वाले थे, तो परमिशंस भी उतनी ही डिफिकल्ट थी. एट एवरी स्टेज सार्थक और मुझे ऐसा हुआ था कि हमें एटलीस्ट वी हैड गॉन 10-15 राउंड्स ऑफ, हमने तो क्या बोलते हैं, रिव्यूइंग करवाई थी अपने प्लान की. एंड आई टोल्ड सार्थक वन थिंग ओनली: सार्थक, बी रेडी फॉर चेंजेस. तू चेंजेस के लिए रेडी रहना, बाकी हम देखेंगे जो करना है. The beauty of this entire thing was we decided कि हमारे फैकल्टी इंचार्जेस कौन रहेंगे. The reason was कि हमें चाहिए था कि कोई ऐसा चाहिए था जो कि हमें सोशली एक्टिव बंदा भी चाहिए था, एंड दूसरा ये भी चाहिए था कि जिसको डिबेट्स, मंथ्स और ये सब का आइडिया भी हो. That is when we went to Nikhil Gala sir, and then eventually Nirmal sir came on board, and that is how things went. Right from the scratch बोलते हैं ना, right from the scratch we started the entire thing. We went to Dean sir at I think the 3rd or the 4th time he had agreed with the now you can go forward. Then we went to Dr. JP Gandhi. Then we showed him the plan. He also was very happy seeing the plan, and that is when the implementation of conclave कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, वो चालू हुआ. So it was, and for me also, I was also being very selfish because I saw that कि यार ये मेरा farewell event होना चाहिए. That एक selfishness भी बोल सकते हो तुम, selfish भी बन रहा था मैं कि I wanted to do this. I saw this as an opportunity to go back to the committee where it all started. So that was the moment जब सार्थक ने बोला, तो then I was like कि नहीं यार करते हैं, कुछ भी हो जाएगा करते हैं. And we went through all the I think जितने भी permissions लेने थे सब करने थे, and the entire experience was wonderful. I think सार्थक, you want to continue वो comedian वाला?
Yeah. So we had booked Rahul Subramaniam first. उस टाइम पे काफी जस्ट ऊपर चल रहा था. ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट ईयर था तो हम इतने पैसे तो नहीं थे. सेकेंड ईयर कॉन्क्लेव में केनी सेबेस्टियन आया था, तब पैसे थे. पर फर्स्ट ईयर तो पहले बार हो रहा था तो थोड़ा ऑफ कोर्स बजट इश्यूज तो थे. So we were like, we might have a budget of like I won't say the number, but we had a small budget for the comedian and like Rahul Subramaniam level, and we booked him, and just about like a week or something before conclave he cancelled because एक हम यार cancellation की होती है इतनी हमारे साथ, मेरे को वो नहीं पता. उसने cancel कर दिया कि उसका कुछ shoot आ गया, and for shoot he was getting paid significantly more. So that's why he was like that I can't perform now. Luckily तब हमने पास वास या कुछ रिलीज नहीं किया था. But now उसके बाद फिर अब क्या करे उपमन्यु, अभिषेक उपमन्यु was also taking off, and he was at a bigger level than Rahul Subramaniam at that point only. And but he was, of course, he was charging also more. But then we just figured out something, tried to collect some money through whatever marketing that we could, and ultimately we booked Upmanyu. So the comedy night was crazy at that year also. But yeah, like overall cancellations तो बहुत होते ही होते हैं कि होता है. But end of the day, I mean that is what you remember, that how you came out of adversity and then still kicked off and just did the event successfully. I think that is
the best part of the conclave was that we did not hesitate to reach out to people. We reached out to so many people just to take their point of views. And I think the best part, again, I would say about the second best part was that the entire team was motivated. And the natural motivation hota hai na, that was there. That was the first time I saw a team which is naturally motivated. Ki it was not about me or Sarthak. it was about dreams of all those members in the social conclave के committee में जितने भी थे. I think every member had a dream कि यार ये करना है successful. So I still remember when we went to Nikhil Gala sir कि sir आप हमें guide करोगे इस पूरे, can you be the mentor, faculty mentor for this thing? And then I think he asked, I don't know if Sarthak remembers, sir ने पूछा था what is the number that you are targeting? So the first हमने बोला था 300. Sir, 250 to 300 is something which we are targeting. And sir ने तब जाके हमें बोला था कि see इतना target करना तो मत करो. Literally मैं ये बोला था. That is the time when we realized यार हमारा idea इतना अच्छा है तो हम why can't we go for more? And from that point to filling out the entire Mukesh Patel का auditorium, वो journey थी. So there were people who made us realize that this idea is so valuable, so precious. Go on, communicate the idea. And the thing is, we also did not realize that with time कैसे लोग जुड़ते गए. People liked the idea, and that is when we actually realized the power of such a unique idea. Power of the everyone wants something new, and that is what happened. We gave a conference. The final product was something that we also had not imagined. We knew कि कुछ idea था कि इतना हो सकता है, but इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा, we never thought.
That the first team, I think it has been the most special journey working in any team for me. That first year conclave, it was so, people are so motivated, and I think the idea was कि हम लोग साथ में कुछ create कर रहे हैं, because कुछ था नहीं इसके पहले करने को और ऐसी conference भी नहीं थी, तो हम कुछ नया create कर रहे हैं और सब लोग उस vision में साथ में थे. That was the reason why people were so motivated, because everyone had that sense of ownership in that conference, and that's why it turned out to be that. And also I think another big factor that we had was we had United Nations on board, so that is something which adds the credibility of the conference right away, because even they collaborate with us with just the idea, because implementation तो उनके साथ ही हुआ, but even they saw the potential in the idea. They helped us implement one of the solutions, they helped us in field visit of one of the topics. So overall I think idea के साथ जो पूरा team का motivation था, that was a major reason why conclave, basically I like to say that we have created history in that manner, because social conclave is something which now happens every year. And shout out to each and every team member of social conclave, because I can't start naming right now because there's so many names, and I don't want to miss out on any person's name, from an executive to a head. I don't want to miss out any person's name in this, because each and every person was so important for creating conclave to what it was. And it was definitely amazing experience. सबसे ज्यादा मजेदार एक्सपीरियंस वो सोशल कॉन्क्लेव का फर्स्ट ईयर, और जो सारे जो उस साल के मेंबर्स, आई थिंक काउंसिल का सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक वही रहा है, सोशल कॉन्क्लेव में काम करना.
And in fact, it has been the most emotional one as well, because I have seen कि सत्वा जब खत्म होता है, I've seen, it's unfair to compare, but जो emotions I felt at the end of social conclave, I had not seen that emotion in my 4 years of college life जब किसी टीम के साथ काम करते हो. And that was the intensity of this particular event, because everyone had literally given their best. And सब लोग, when you feel कि यार ये मेरा event है, that is what the feeling was in each and every executive से लेके subhead से लेके head से लेके till the super core. And I think that was the beauty of this conference, and that is the reason I say I was a little selfish, but yeah, that was a perfect ending for me, as that was my final year of the college as well.
Also, as Shankar was mentioning, the emotions, this is the last conclave that I did. This was the second year, and this is all of us just hugging and crying, because this was sort of the last thing that we were doing in council, a lot of us, and yeah, it was ये emotion वैसा experience कभी नहीं किया जैसा इस time पे किया.
The idea of what attracted me and others, and hands down those were the best 3 days of my college year.
That's amazing. That's really amazing to hear that you guys also love doing it, and that was the point कि यार बात तो कर ही लेंगे, बात तो करने में हर कोई डेढ़ शाना होता ही है, but actually जब implement करने हो वो solutions, तब actually है कि वो actually solve कर रहे कोई problem की नहीं, जब तक आप implement नहीं करोगे तब तक नहीं पता चलेगा. So that was the thing, that implementation तो should be there.
So you guys are pretty close, and the super core is close. So how did that bond help for the success for social conclave?
I think absolutely it helped very much, because like in a team, what is important is that you have to trust the other person, and there has to be blind trust that whatever all of us are doing is for the betterment, for the event, for the conference, and for the vision. It's towards the vision that we are trying to create. And जो भी सारे core members थे उस टाइम पे, कोर मेंबर्स बोल लो, हेड्स बोल लो, एग्जीक्यूटिव बोल लो, सब कितने सारे लोग हैं जो हम लोग आज भी बहुत रेगुलरली मिलते हैं. अभी तो कोविड के टाइम पे नहीं मिल रहे, बट हम लोग मेरे कितने हम दोस्त वैसे बने. मेरा और संकल्प का बॉन्ड कॉन्क्लेव की वजह से बहुत स्ट्रांग हुआ. लाइक वी वर of course we were friends in social impact in first year, when I was in first year. In second year Sankalp was chilling somewhere else, I won't tell you where, but then he didn't really have time for his guy friends. But other than that, I think yeah, Conclave की वजह से we our bond also increased, and we like it's of course still and so many other people. So I think the bond definitely helped the conference, because that trust was always there, that all of us are working for this one common thing and for the betterment of the conference.
Yeah, I think I completely agree with Sarthak, because the most important factor here was trust. It was one person cannot be everywhere, right? So you have to trust the other person that, you know, whatever work has been given to that person, ये हो जाएगा, okay? या फिर कोई problem आएगा तो मिलके solve कर लेंगे. So I think trust was the most important. When you're doing something for the first time, you don't have experience about doing things, you know, in a particular way. I think the most important factor is trust, and that trust was very natural. We had, and ऐसा कभी हमने डाउट भी नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. एंड कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती थी तो वी यूज्ड टू सॉल्व इट टुगेदर, and we were very open to suggestions. We were very open to listening to more ideas, new ideas. But yeah, overall I feel that that was, for me, it was one of the best teams I've worked with.
So alumni association is a relatively a new committee, and आपने reminiscence करवाया था. So how is that? And you pushed for alumni association, right? So
right.
How is that?
Alumni association was uske pehle also. Like I think Akash Vishwakarma, when he was the general secretary, he started it, but in the council. But उस time इतना active नहीं था. But I knew कि यार alumni association is important. More than me, the college had also realized at that point that there should be an alumni association, because like there has to be a good bond between the alumni and the current students. Just for example, right now when I'm connecting with alumni of Duke to say I want to work in a Deloitte, so when I connect with the alumni of Duke, they, out of 10, 8 people respond to me that okay, yeah, let's talk, and they help me out to sort of apply for that particular role. So that is the power of alumni, because they can help the current students reach to where the current students wants to go, because that person has already gone through that journey. So I think college had realized that. So at that point, I don't think it was a major task to push the alumni committee, one, because the committee was already there, and the college also wanted it. But what we wanted was that this committee actually does something. Like it's not just on paper, or that just does one or two things, but it's actually extremely active, like you guys are this year. So that was the goal, that we want the alumni committee to be extremely, extremely active. So that's why, and credit, like over here, I'm going to take the name, because this was just one person who was responsible very majorly. It was Shivani. She totally steered the entire alumni committee, getting reminiscence done, talking to all the faculty. Like I didn't have to work or not, or other people have to focus a lot on reminiscence or alumni committee. Of course we did, but we were also doing so many things. Shivani, really, really hats off to her that she pulled off the entire reminiscence. I remember there were some days when we thought that koi alumni respond nahi kar raha, aayega nahi aayega, and there were some dull days, but I don't think she ever gave up, and she pulled off the, I think, only reminiscence which has happened in MPSTME so far. And I really hope that you guys also do the reminiscence. I know it's COVID times, but do it virtually or whatever, but I really hope that you guys do it. Me and Sankalp, I think, are definitely coming. Definitely. But I'm sure that a lot of other people would love to connect with your batchmates and stay connected with college. Yeah, like we look at college so dearly. We always want to come back to the college. There's so many like us who want to come back. So I think hats off to you guys. You guys are keeping it so active, and definitely do a reminiscence this year.
In fact, yeah, definitely. I definitely agree with Sarthak. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Also, I think the power of alumni is, when it comes to, colleges, I feel that there cannot be a better connect with the industry if you are in connect with an alumni. And if I give you my example, I reached out to my alumni when I wanted to join Teach for India, and the amount of personal touch that they give, you will not expect from any person if you maybe connect with them on LinkedIn or something. So एक naturally सा connect आ जाता है, and then they give that extra also. I still remember Yash Kothari was the alumni whom I reached out to, and he made sure that he guided me in such a way that I got selected. And that is the power of alumni. And just the alumni meets is not just when you meet and after a long time. It's not a meeting point for everyone. It is where you network, and that is a power of it shows the power of the university as well. I feel the how strong is alumni connect. And so overall, you're doing a great job. Keep evolving, and yeah, best of luck.
Thank you.
That's it for the second part of In Talks With. I hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the third part of In Talks With. It's coming soon.